Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be going back to my soybeans charms and we're gonna make a ring with it. Crystal bean ring. So we're gonna be using a single unit. I'm gonna leave a link to the tutorial where you can do this, and as you can see, you can make them in any number of units. So I'll show you how to make a single one and then how to make a multiple one. So they're pretty easy to make, but the result, they are gorgeous. I really love this unit, so I'm pretty sure I'll be making quite a few things in the future. This is the second one. We did a crystal beans pendant before. I took it apart, so I can't really show you. But today, we're just gonna make the ring. It's pretty gorgeous. Just made a simple peyote band and embellished it with 50 no's. So that's what we're gonna make today. The one thing I wanted to explain, like when I'm wearing it, see this charm is flush on my skin. So that's what we're gonna do. Like the easiest way would have been to make a peyote band and then just put this on top. But this unit is already chunky, and putting on top of more beads, I just didn't like the idea. Even though the Delicas are quite thin, I still wanted this flush against my skin on my fingers. So what I did, I started peyote and added on one side of the unit, came around and added on the other side. If you're being lazy, just make the peyote band and then just attach on top of it, but I'm gonna show you how to do this. So for this, you're gonna need single soybean charm. So I'm gonna be using this one. Then you're gonna need a stop bead. Stop bead is just a term for any bead. It's just how we use it. We're gonna use it as a stopper so our beads don't fall out of one end of the thread. That's all it is, and I like to use bicon for that. Then you're gonna need a thread. I'm gonna be using Miyuki beading thread, scissors, beading needles. I'm gonna be using size 10, and then I'm gonna be using matching colors of beads for this charm. So I'm using same green. I think it's called pine green or something. The code is 656, and then I'm gonna be using red 15O, which is 45A. You can find them all in my store. I'm gonna leave a link to my store in the description box. I might also leave individual links for this, but you can find them there. And scissors to cut the thread. So I'm gonna thread my needle with a yard and then we'll get to work. So I thread my needle with a yard. I'm gonna take my stop bead. I'm gonna leave a tail of about 6 inch, well 5-6 inch. That will be enough to add one side of the peyote to the charm. Take my needle through the stop bead one more time, and then I'm gonna pick up 4 Delicas. I'm gonna drop it down to my stop bead, and then we're gonna start our peyote. Pick up 1 Delica, skip the first bead, go through the second, pick up a Delica, skip, see where my thread's coming out of, skip 1 bead and go through the next. In the beginning, peyote is a bit wonky, but it's a very easy stitch. So that's what I have. Flip it over. So my thread is at the bottom. Pick up a Delica. Now you just go through the sticking out beads. So I'm gonna go through the first sticking out bead. Pick up a Delica. And then go through the next sticking out bead. Like so. Flip it over. Pick up a Delica. Go through the first sticking out bead. Pick up a Delica. Go through the next sticking out bead. Like so. Flip it over. Pick up a Delica. Go through the sticking out bead. Pick up a Delica. Go through the last sticking out bead. So you just basically continue on and on and on until you have enough of length to go around your finger. Remember to leave space for the charm. So I have the band ready. Now it's time to attach it to the charm. So I'm just gonna remember this charm has a flatter side, so I have to make sure I attach it to the flat side. Not, you don't want this to be like this on your finger, you want it flat. So I'm just gonna attach it like so on the side. Just gonna see, this is a flat side, so I'm just gonna find here. 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 And then to the last bead on this side. Like so, but I have to make sure this one is connected to the bottom as well. So I'm just gonna go through the next bead on the charm and it's connected. See? And just take my needle back here, back here, and back here. Now, same way, attach the second side to the far end here, and then get rid of the short tail. Leave the long tail as we still need to embellish our band. So the charm is attached, look. You could leave it at that, but the band is pretty simple. So what I'm gonna do, see where my thread is. Wait, I need to thread my needle. So see my thread's coming out of the side of the band. So I'm gonna pick up 350 nodes. I'm using red. And then go down the next Delica. See where my thread's coming out of? I'm gonna go down next Delica, like so. Then pull it through. Go up the next one. Pick up 350 nodes. Go down the next one. Go up the next, pick up 350 nodes, go down next, go up next, pick up 350 nodes, go down next. So you just continue like that all around the band. Once you finish this side, take your needle to the other side and add the same all around this side as well, and then get rid of the tail. And here are our gorgeous crystal bean rings. It's pretty easy to make once you have the charm. But the charms are not that hard to make, trust me. Watch the video. You just need rondelle. In between there is a big rondelle, 7 by 10 or 8 by 10, and you just need Delicas, 50 nodes, and some 4 or 5 mm beads. I used 5 mm Swarovski bicons here, but you can use any other bead that's 4 or 5 mm wide. That's it. I wish I'd done, see how, it's nice band, but I wish the middle 50 node I made gold, so it would have been green, red, gold. Too bad I don't have time. It will have to do. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Check out other videos on my channel. I have tons of tutorials up there now. This is my, I think, 3rd or 4th year running. So, and I've been releasing tutorials every Friday. So I'm pretty sure there are over hundreds there. And check out my shop. You'll find lots of goodies there. See you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.